If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I am happy to introduce you to the Maxine Project Tote by Handicrafts. This is the large one. It comes in 3 sizes. The large one is huge. It is perfect for your large knitting, crochet, embroidery, crafting type project needs. This one is perfect for holding an afghan or a bulky sweater or any of your large projects. It does come in 2 more sizes. The medium is about here-ish and the small is about here-ish. So the medium would be good for, say, shawls and scarves, and the small ones for like socks or what have you. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it comes with a carry handle. It has a pocket on the front. It is made in all cotton fabrics, except for this here I like to do with a little bit of a vinyl accent. It is a drawstring closure, and it also has a tie right here to make sure everything stays nice and where it needs to be. And when you undo the tie, of course I tied it in a knot, you have another pocket here similar to the front and a zipper pocket there. And seriously, look how big and roomy this is. It is just such a perfect project bag. I know I will be making myself these in all sizes, as I am a knitter and a crocheter as well. Always never have enough for your crafting needs, that is for sure. So yeah, if you would like one of these, if you're one of my clients in your choices of cotton fabrics, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, I do have a tutorial on this. This is actually the sew along class we are doing on Tuesdays for June 2023. So we are starting those tonight, which is June. Depending when you're watching this, let me look at my calendar. Today is June 13th. So if you would like to join, you're more than welcome to join. You can join at any time. Again, this is in the Tuesday and Thursday sew along tier, and that also gives you access to all of the class replays for this if you end up missing them, and for the class replays of all time for Tuesdays. And yeah, and the tutorial for this will be released once classes end at the end of June, so you can look forward to seeing this tutorial at the beginning of July. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.